Solve it in your sleep. Understanding sleep over a problem. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that many native speakers use: sleep over a problem. If you've ever felt puzzled by this expression, you're in the right place. We're going to explore what it means, how to use it, and why sometimes the best solution might just come to you after you take a break and get some rest. When someone advises you to sleep over a problem, they're essentially suggesting that you postpone making a decision or forming a conclusion about a challenging issue until the next day. The idea is that by taking a break and getting a good night's sleep, you may gain new insights or perspectives that can help you solve the problem more effectively. It's based on the belief that our subconscious mind continues to work on problems even when we're asleep, often leading to clarity and solutions that weren't apparent while we were stressed or focused on the issue. Interestingly, there's scientific evidence supporting the idea that sleeping on a problem can be beneficial. Research shows that during sleep, especially during the REM, rapid eye movement, phase, our brain processes and synthesizes the day's experiences and information. This can lead to creative problem-solving and innovation when we wake up. Essentially, while you're dreaming, your brain is busy connecting dots in ways you might not have considered while awake. 1. Facing a tough decision? If you're stuck between two choices or can't seem to find a way out of a predicament, try saying, "I'm going to sleep over this problem before making a decision." 2. Encouraging others. When someone around you is stressed or overwhelmed by a situation, advise them to take a night off and sleep on it. It's a way of showing support by encouraging them to take care of their mental health and trust in their subconscious mind's problem-solving abilities. 3. In the workplace, it's also a helpful approach in professional settings. Before making a significant business decision or responding to a complex email, consider if it might be best to sleep on it and revisit the issue with a fresh mind in the morning. Sleeping over a problem is more than just an old wives' tale. It's a practical approach to dealing with life's challenges. By allowing ourselves to step back, rest, and give our brains the opportunity to work things out quietly, we often find solutions that were hidden in plain sight. So next time you're faced with a tough decision or a creative block, remember the power of a good night's sleep. Hopefully, this video has shed some light on how valuable it can be to simply sleep on it. Sweet dreams and happy problem solving!